Andare.
To go. Number 1. Literal movement. To go. This is the most basic meaning, referring to physical movement from one place to another.
Vado al cinema stasera.
I'm going to the cinema tonight.
Andiamo a Roma la prossima settimana.
We are going to Rome next week. Number 2. To go plus preposition
A.
plus infinitive. To be going to future action. This construction expresses a near future action, similar to going to in English.
Vado a mangiare.
I'm going to eat.
Andiamo a studiare.
We are going to study.
Va a piovere.
It's going to rain. Number 3. How something is going running.
Andare.
Can describe how something is functioning or its state.
Come va?
How's it going? How are you? Informal.
La macchina non va.
The car doesn't work. The car isn't going.
Gli affari vanno bene.
Business is going well. Number 4. To fit, suit, go with clothing, food, colors. In this usage,
Andare.
shows what something matches or complements.
Questa camicia va bene con I tuoi pantaloni.
This shirt goes well with your pants.
Il vino bianco va meglio con il pesce.
White wine goes better with fish. Number 5. To need, require with
Ci.
This uses the reflexive form
Andarci.
plus a plus noun to indicate something is needed.
Ci vuole un'ora per arrivare lì.
It takes an hour to get there. An hour is needed to get there.
Ci va pazienza.
Patience is needed. Number 6. Expressions with
Andare. Andare d'accordo con qualcuno.
to get along with someone.
Vado d'accordo con I miei colleghi.
I get along with my colleagues.
Andare a letto.
To go to bed.
Vado a letto presto stasera.
I'm going to bed early tonight.
Andare via.
To go away. Leave.
Devo andare via adesso.
I have to go now.
Andare bene male.
To go well, badly.
L'esame è andato bene.
The exam went well.
Andare in pensione.
To retire.
Mio padre andrà in pensione l'anno prossimo.
My father will retire next year.
Va bene?
Okay, all right, that's fine.
Possiamo incontrarci alle 3? Va bene?
Can we meet at 3? Okay.